Hello friends! This tutorial shows how to listen to your PDFs being read out loud in Adobe Acrobat and Acrobat Reader. We'll also look at the keyboard shortcuts to make reading aloud more convenient. Lastly, we'll look at how to customize the reading settings such as the voice and speed. Please note that these steps only apply to Adobe Acrobat and Acrobat Reader with the updated interface. To begin, open the PDF and scroll to the page that you want to start listening to. If you're on a PC, select Menu in the top left corner of the screen, followed by View from the drop-down menu. Mac users can select View directly in the menu bar at the top of the screen. Next, select Read Out Loud from the submenu. Then select Activate Read Out Loud from the secondary submenu. PC users can now reselect Menu and View, while Mac users can reselect View in the menu bar. On both platforms, you can now reselect Read Out Loud and then choose Read this page only or Read to End of Document from the secondary submenu.
Chapter 1. Video provides a powerful way to help you prove your point.
When you're done listening, you can return to the secondary submenu to pause or stop the reading or deactivate Read Out Loud. You may find the keyboard shortcut shown here more convenient than continually returning to the Read Out Loud submenu. Rather than reading them to you, I've included them in the description box below for those who want to copy them for future use. Before we move on, please note that the keyboard shortcuts to read this page only, read to the end of the document, pause, and stop will only work if Read Out Loud has already been activated. If you would like to customize your reading settings, select Menu on a PC or Acrobat on a Mac. Then select Preferences from the drop-down menu. When the Preferences dialog box appears, select the reading category. From there, you can adjust the volume from 1 to 10, with 7 being the default. Deselect Use Default Voice to choose another option from the Voice menu. The voices available to you will depend on the voices installed in your operating system. For example, I have many more options on my Mac than I do on my PC. You can also deselect Use Default Speech Attributes to adjust the pitch and words per minute, which is the reading speed. When you're finished, select the OK button and then listen to your PDF being read using the steps shown in the previous sections. All the steps we just performed are listed on my website at erinwritewriting.com, which is linked in the description box below, along with my complete playlist, How to Use Adobe Acrobat. Feel free to leave me a comment if there's a specific topic that you'd like me to cover in the future. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss upcoming tutorials. And give this video a big thumbs up if you found it helpful. Thank you so much for watching.